Friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am going to be making a creamy mango popsicle. I hope you guys will enjoy this recipe. If you do, please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you're new here, a special welcome to you. Please remember to tell others about tomorrow's recipes. Let them come over and be a part of this awesome family. Let's get started. For this recipe, I will be using 3 mangoes to make the popsicle. You can use whichever mango of your choice, but ensure that you use sweet, ripe mangoes. I am going to slice them off camera and then I return. I am finished slicing the mangoes. I did them in some small cubes. This way they will be easy to blend. Now I am going to add them into my blender. I will be using a high-speed blender so that they can blend very well. I will be adding 3 tablespoons of sugar. The sugar helps them to be creamy and they don't form ice crystals. So if you don't want to use sugar, you can always use honey or maple syrup, and you can add the sugar to your taste. I am going to blend it on a high speed for about 3 minutes or until it becomes creamy. I did not use the middle part of the blender cover because I wanted you to see inside of the blender while I was blending. While you're blending, it's okay to stop and use a spoon to stir it. That way all of it will blend properly. After you're finished blending and it's smooth, you're going to add half a cup of yogurt. In a previous video, I made homemade yogurt, so I will leave in the description box the link to that video. I am going to blend for another minute just for it to be fully combined. So now I'm going to add half a cup of whole milk. You could also add almond milk, coconut milk, oat milk, any of your choice. So guys, I am finished blending and my popsicle mixture is ready. Look at how creamy it is. I will be using my popsicle mold. If you don't have a popsicle mold, then you could use paper cups or ice cubes. After you are finished adding the mixture into the popsicle mold, then you are going to cover it with aluminum foil paper. What I did, I doubled the foil, then I'm going to use a knife to cut little slits on the foil, then I'm going to place the sticks into the mold. After you are finished adding the sticks, you're going to place the mold into the refrigerator and let them freeze for at least 4 hours or overnight. Mine is ready, so I am going to remove the foil and then I'm going to dip them in warm water for a few seconds. Afterwards, I am going to remove them from the mold. So guys, once you let them stay in there for 30 seconds, then you're going to take them from the water. Thanks for watching guys, and if you enjoyed this video, please remember to thumbs it up as it helps with the YouTube algorithm. So guys, as you can see, it is very creamy and it's delicious. So please do try this recipe and give me your feedback.